Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Huawei MatePad 12X. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And now you have to select clear data option and then click on factory reset. And here you have to type in yes. And then click factory reset. And now you can click back and click restart to go back to your system. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.